Welcome once again to Gourmet School of Culinary Art. You are together with Chef Henry. So today we are going to see we are going to cook brown stock. Before we get started, I would like please to ask you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get notification for the video we are going to post in our channel. And now, for us to start making brown stock, we are going to use bones. This is a beef bones. We are going to use carrot. We are going to use red onions and bouquet garni. Bouquet garni is composed by leek, celery, and bay leaves. So we are also going to use oil. So for the oil, we are going to. You can start making brown stock with by roasting bones until they become brown, and then after you put in the pan, then mix it with water and so on. But you can also brown the bones in skillet, on pan, on saucepan or stock pot. So for that reason, we are going to brown the bones into the oil, just in the little oil, and then after we add more ingredients. So we are going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we let the oil be cooked. So once the oil is hot, so now we're going to put the bones. So we are going to cook the bones until they become brown, because the brown color of the stock, we get the brown color from the bones. Once the bones are very brown, so now they can turn the water brown. So and then the oil is cooked. This is hot. So we're going to put the bones. The bones is 500 grams, and that means the water I will put the water for these bones. For the stocks, it is 2 liters and a half. I'm going to add carrots and onions. I can't add the bouquet garni at this moment, so I will add the bouquet garni later. So now bones, they are brown, and even vegetables, they are brown. Onions and carrot, they have turned brown. Now it's time for water. So we are going to add water. Remember, this water is 2 liters and a half. The bones is 500 grams. So now we're gonna wait the water till boiled. So now we are going to skim our brown stock using the water and the skimmer. So we are going to remove this foam, this cup, and any unwanted things which is hanging on top of the stock. So you see, now our stock turns brown because we have browned the bones. So we try skimming. So now our stock is clear. There is no fat on top. There is no excess fat on top. So now it's time to put bouquet garni. So we're going to put the bouquet garni. So now we are going to simmer for 1 more hour. Let's reduce the heat a little bit. Okay. So now we are going to drain our stock. We first switch off the gas cooker, and then we drain. So we are going to drain using the conical strainer. Yeah, see, now we have a quality stock. So now the bones, we don't need them, so we will discard, and then we stay with the stock. So the brown stock is ready. Now we can use it to prepare sauces, soups, any different dishes. And now if we are not going to use it right now, so you can just let it cool. You can let it become cold, and then you cover, then you keep in the fridge or in the freezer when you want to use it just for a long time. So thank you for watching. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gourmet School of Culinary Arts. So we are looking forward to hearing from you. Your comments, your likes, your advices will be useful. Thank you for watching once again.